Let's do a quick unboxing of these roller skates. So right out of the box, the first thing I notice is the fun race car inspired design. These definitely have a sporty look that kids are going to get excited about. The colors and details make them stand out, and the flashing wheels add extra cool factor. One feature I really like is that these skates are adjustable. So instead of buying a new pair every time your child's feet grow, you can simply adjust the size as needed. That's especially helpful for growing kids and can help extend the life of the skates. Taking a closer look, these skates feature a sturdy hard shell construction that helps provide support. The inner boot is padded with EVA material, which feels soft and comfortable and should help keep little feet comfortable during longer skating sessions. Looking at the wheels, they're made from PU material and they light up while rolling, which is always a big hit with kids. No batteries are needed. The wheels light up from the motion of skating. Overall, these seem like a great option for beginners and young skating enthusiasts alike. They combine comfort, adjustability, safety features, and just a fine design all in one package. So if you're looking for a birthday gift or just a way to get the kids active outdoors, these roller skates are definitely worth checking out.